Call and ask for details. You'll never pay too much. Automatic transmission, Barbera's Autoland. Do you want it all, especially fantastic fuel efficiency? Well, with this attractive 2011 Dodge Avenger, you are going to get it. A roomy car, coupled with a gas-saving engine, does not come up for grabs very often, so you better act fast. Is Barbera the best? Boy, I guess.